What's up guys, you're Slaughter from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to turn this image without quality into that image with full HD style. How to transform. Imagine that you have an old picture of your parents, an old picture of your great parents into low quality and you would like to make it into full HD. It's completely possible with AI, and all you have to do is a Google account. This is all you need. How to get things started? First, go to Gemini, okay, gemini.google.com. You're gonna be able to see this option right here. Open it and you're gonna be able to see this screen. First thing, click on create image. After, hit the plus button to select your picture. Let me select the mines. Now we're gonna use the prompt that I'm gonna leave in the description below and into the first comment of this video. If I forget to leave the prompt, please remember me and ask for the prompt. After, here is the prompt. You can pause the video in the case that you want to copy the prompt. We have 3 paragraphs. And you're gonna hit the option. While we wait, I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes. But while we wait, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, okay? We are creating the image. The time that it takes to create the image changes according to the image that you upload, but normally it's quite fast. Here is the prompt, so you can copy, and here is my image. As you can see, it's really it's better, okay? Can you see the difference? We have some lost quality right here into the glasses, for example, and you can do the same with every single image you like. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.